Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 SEAT Ateca XPERIENCE Lux. This is the top of the range model and comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic DSG gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 41 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 27,000 miles and comes with full service history from SEAT. This colour is the Graphite Grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you also have a nice clean interior, and being the XPERIENCE Lux, you've got the leather seats and the front seats are also heated. There's a big armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention. You also have climate control, active cruise control on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Being a small SUV, the Ateca's a popular car for families, so nice wide rear door opening, lots of legroom and headroom there in the back, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And rear passengers also have their own air vents and 2 charging ports in the centre. And it's also good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from SEAT too. Opening the tailgate, which is electric, reveals a good sized boot there, nice and square, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you then also have some extra storage space and your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors and 360-degree parking cameras. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.